Brainy Bites for kids.
Have you ever heard the old saying that lightning never strikes the same twice? It sounds like a magic rule, doesn't it? Well, put on your detective hats because we are about to investigate this stormy mystery. That saying is totally false. Lightning absolutely can strike the same place twice. In fact, it can hit the exact same spot 3, 4, or even 10 times in a row. Here is the secret. Electricity is actually kind of lazy. It always looks for the easiest, quickest path to get from the cloud to the ground. If a path was easy to hit yesterday, it's probably still the easiest path to hit today. Take the Empire State Building in New York City, for example. Because it is super tall and pointy, it's a perfect target. It gets zapped by lightning about 25 times every single year. Wow! Think of a tall object, like a giant finger reaching up to the sky. Since lightning comes from the clouds, it wants to high-five the tallest things it can find first, like skyscrapers, radio towers, and tall trees. Because lightning loves striking the same tall spots, builders use a cool invention called a lightning rod. It's a metal stick that catches the lightning safely and sends it into the ground, so the building doesn't get hurt. There was even a famous park ranger named Roy Sullivan who holds a wild world record. Believe it or not, poor Roy was struck by lightning 7 different times in his life. Talk about bad luck. So the myth is officially busted. Lightning actually loves to visit the same spots again and again. But don't worry, as long as you go indoors when thunder roars, you are perfectly safe and sound.